to the QNE AI Cloud Accounting tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through collecting customer information for e-invoice compliance in 3 quick and easy steps. Accurate and timely collection of customer information is crucial to avoid delays and additional costs. We'll show you innovative methods to streamline this process. Plus, you can start collecting information even before the e-invoice implementation begins. Let's get started. Step 1. Send the request. First, you need to send a request to your customers to update their tax information. In this process, you have 3 quick and easy methods to send the request, such as via Customer Maintenance Module, e-invoice Advisor, Individual and Batch Module, and by Preview Formats QR Code. Let's explore. For the first method, you can request customer information updates directly through the Customer Maintenance Module. From your QNE AI Cloud Accounting dashboard, navigate to Accounts Receivable and click on Customers. Open the customer's details, then click the Request Info button. Here, you can choose to send the link via email, WhatsApp, Telegram, or copy the link to send it manually. This will prompt your customers to update their tax information through the QNE Customer Portal. For the second method, you can manage customer updates in bulk using the e-invoice Advisor. On your dashboard, go to e-invoice and select e-invoice Advisor. Click the Get Advice button to view the list of customers who need to verify their tax information. You can send update requests individually or in batches. For batch requests, simply select multiple customers, click Request Info, and choose Batch Email. This will send out the request to all selected customers at once. For the third method, you can incorporate the request directly into your sales process using the Preview Formats QR code. Go to Sales and create a new sales invoice. After filling out the necessary details, click Preview and select the sales invoice. Request Customer Info QR format. This will generate a QR code at the bottom of the invoice. Your customer can scan this QR code to update their information via the QNE Customer Portal, ensuring all their details are accurate and up to date. Whichever method you choose, you can easily collect tax information from your clients accurately and promptly using QNE AI Cloud Accounting. Step 2. Customers update information. Once your customers receive the link, they will be directed to the QNE Customer Portal. Here, they'll need to update their tax information that contains existing information. The red asterisk indicates the fields are required. Click the Next button for billing details that contain address, contact number, and contact person. Upon clicking the Next button, the delivery addresses can be added, if applicable. Switch off the Same as Billing function to add and click Next to proceed. After updating, they will receive a 6-digit verification code via email, which they'll need to enter to confirm their information. Step 3. Review and approve information. After the customer submits their updated information, you will receive a notification. Click on the notification to review the changes. You can choose to accept or reject the updates. Once accepted, the updated information will be reflected in your customer's profile, ensuring your e-invoice compliance is up to date. And that's it! You've successfully collected customer information for e-invoice compliance in just 3 quick and easy steps. Thank you for choosing QNE AI Cloud Accounting. For more tutorials and support, visit our website or contact customer service. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.